So guys, it's Jerome's birthday weekend. So we'll come a movie, but movie not start till an hour from now.
Some late people. I want to get out of this thing, man. Take me out of this thing. Take me out of this thing. Take me out of this thing. But I got up on the moon. Take me out of this thing. Take me out of this thing.
Runaway train.
Come again.
So some people go on a piece of photo shoot a while ago. The people may have to go insert some picture them phone.
I don't really take pictures, I understand, so I feel just remember the last time I'm going to be 24 years old, so I can actually remember.
You're not 24.
Guys. So I just want to have that last
You're not 24.
the memory of what it was like being 24.
Guys, he's stuck in a young age, and in a mind, in past 24. So every year, I'm 24 or 26.
Come.
Every year.
Come. How old am I? 24.
You're not 24.
Only 25.
So ready, set, go.
Ready, set, go!
Go!
Set, go!
Go, baby!
Y'all come with me? Ready, set, go!
Go! There's me.
Say boy, load this one.
One little market out there, so peeps. People are selling 1, 2 little things.
One touch.
Ready, set, go! Hey y'all.
Look up here. Look up here. Look up here.
No.
Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? What is the name? Well, you don't really want that, babe. Let keep going. Listen, let me keep going. Don't worry. Try to? Oh. Hey, come. Come, son. Man, do already. This boy, I turn back. Hey, we're ready. Come. Come. Yes, we're ready. We're going out that way. Don't worry. Come on. Man, saw the pound on the pan. Bye. Bye. People, come to Canister's favorite store. You beg me follow you, so I follow you. We need a black hoodie or jacket or stuff for this man. See? Come, Miss Nancy.
That's supposed to be a very boring job. That's what guys perfume.
There are people doing it, but probably just.
But probably in the holiday season, they would not get enough people. But after that, it's like, please tell me.
No, I get what you say, but I think like for gifts and stuff, persons might buy. But I get what you say.
One birthday.
There are some persons who don't mind that kind of work environment whereby they doesn't have much media and that's it.
People, it was good. But not lie, I enjoyed it and I recommend it. It was so good. In the dark, so I'm not gonna say nothing. But but not lie, the nice, I rate it. Money well spent.
Your throne gone down. Gone down.
Boy. Hear the voice of the
Babylon. Gone down.
Babylon, your throne gone down.
Papi, where?
Come.
Someone is serious, man. The man not laugh. Anyways, people, the movie was a good movie. The
Some
lighting
people
bad.
say they never like it.
Why? I think it was a good movie, and I think particularly, where should I go? Oh, the bathroom. Particularly for those who like understand the whole culture and the background, I think it's one that helps you to appreciate Jamaica.
Then they just bad man said that man they get it.
I mean, the role.
Yeah.
He did a good. He did a good job. I think he did a good job playing the role. And funny enough, I was there and I was saying, imagine me that Jamaica how long I'm never go to Bob Marley museum.
You never go? It looked just like at in there.
Me
The
think,
whole living at the wall and everything.
yeah, so I think like when we go back, I have to go to the museum. Like,
You see what a movie does?
yeah, it kind of make me really appreciate the facts.
Well, let's let me go while you're there. I'm not leaving it.
It's not even happen. Yeah, as I said, I think it helped me to appreciate our culture more. And not only that, just being there, it kind of give me the little wake up call and say, hey, when it comes on to giving back to people and just like.
And your purpose and
yeah, your purpose. Good, yeah. So life is not just for like living and just being profitable, but more so to live a purposeful life where you impact people as you go along. So I'm happy for the wake up call, And it helps me to see a bigger picture because sometimes you hear people even talk about himself and it's like we just see him as just being secular and whatever. But he'll be realize, hey, I think above all, this man realized his purpose. And short life, but I think he did his part. And even today, to know that how many years after today, 2024, from 1980, whatever, him still inspire. You understand? His work is still there, his legacy is still there, inspiring people. So I think that's really good. So my takeaway from the movie, just ensure that your life is not just for you, it's not selfish, but your life is purposeful, impacting people wherever you are, wherever you go. And I think a lot of people need to take that. And above all, people love Jamaica. Like, love Jamaica. Like, that's our home for those of you who are Jamaicans. And those of you who are not, come visit Jamaica. I'm not lie, it's a nice place. It's a pity we can't just calm down with certain things and come on to the crime and the violence. But other than that, it's a lovely picture. Yeah, big up the team who put together the movie. It's a wonderful movie. If you haven't gotten a chance to see it yet, I think you should. Like, yeah man, it's a good one. Big up on yourself. Catch you up on the next side. And them are so trash. Hungry lips on my feet. Just look up boy now. He behaved well for the most part. Then he started trouble. He never behaved himself. Okay.
Here comes trouble, here comes the danger. Sent by the Savior, welcome the Rasta youth.
Hey man, popcorn, everything.
The light reflects on it now. As we're going home. Bye.
That job is to stay at the door and watch his buy ticket to go upstairs? His job is to stay at the door to see if you purchase a ticket and can activate the elevator to go upstairs?
Probably.
What if I use the stairs?
I'll make sure so no fight no go on and anything there.
What?
I don't know security. I don't know.
This is not some weird jobs. Sure. Yeah, it's some come to them.
Oh my, what a holy? I know so well fit. Cause him out here and I saw so good enough people. Me in my coat, Jamarina in coat.
When you're Britain, you don't need what?
When you're Britain, I am not a country.
What do you call them?
British.
When you're British,
Yes, babe.
you don't need sweater.
Sir.
Yeah, they eat
What do you
choose?
choose?
They don't eat sweater.
Sir.
You don't drink water. In it? In it?
In it?
In it? You want eat popcorn in it?
I knew these people were
Like, man,
going.
come down the studio, my man, they say, oh, where you come from, brother?
Oh,
Where
my
you go?
God. I don't know. Where you want to feed?
Where you want to feed?
Me ask you first. People gotta go home, yeah? Which Chinese chicken? Oh, don't listen. We're going home.
That's why I have work Monday morning. That makes sense.
Oh, Monday's his birthday, guys, but we start to celebrate already.
But not day Monday because I'm so stressed. I'm stressed. I never appreciate Fridays like now. Never. Got my adventures as Friday come and I have to sleep. Get your man. That day. Friday. Best day of the week, man.
Oh, gosh. I hear the voice of... But you know which part of the movie did get me? I enjoyed the whole thing. But the part when him did I say... What you say?
I enjoy him saying man brings food to people and him say man.
From there so come down.
So
Like...
I'm not crying. I mean something like judge out, yeah.
From this so come down, man. The movie just heal.
The near person's literally like them back here. So, oh my.
It's good, man. It was so good. The part they just bring it to yourself.
That's what I'm saying. I was saying to them earlier on, so you kind of have given them we need to do more in terms of how you live your life, not just
for yourself.
Yourself and try to get what about the person who you're impacting? What are you doing? Like just giving back. Alright guys, today is D-Day. Today's a Jenna's birthday. But I gotta work. This is actually March 18, International JG Day, you know what I'm saying? This morning, thankful for life. I'm here, see another birthday. I forgive thanks, so many things could have happened, but guess what, I'm here. I forgot work though, but it's what it is. Yeah. Slightly later than usual, but not late. Normally come out a bit earlier. But I'm telling you, like, the place has actually changed so much because during this time out here, that's literally like pitch dark, pitch black. But the time I get brighter very earlier, so yeah.
Hi. So today is Jerome's birthday. However, he's gone to work the whole weekend. We went to the movie on Saturday. Today's Monday. The whole weekend, I pay sickness and flu in the house. We sick out. Him sick more than the rest of we. Me just have the throat and the headache. Jamari has a runny nose and some sneezing. But Jerome sick. Like cool and all kind of something. So me not cook today. Like we have Sunday, Monday, you know. But me not cook today because I want to go back in my bed go lay down. So I just give Jamari medicine and put him to bed. So I just make the order and it should be here in a few minutes, about half an hour, so them say. And then he's gonna be home in like an hour, so I have time for like put together. Wish him a happy birthday. If you're following us on Instagram, you would have wished him a happy birthday already. But if you're not, go on over there, go follow me. But wish him a happy birthday down below. I'm just tidy up the place, so I go back to lay dog down and see if we can catch a 5 before you're okay. So my orders are the way. So we can't bother go lay dog. We have to go wait for them. So alright. Me come back. Okay. Food is there. We may have put this in the seat when come. Come on, didn't think of Sunday, Monday where I eat. Because this morning when he was leaving, he was like, oh, I'm up work. Yeah. And more big fish, so with all of the something them way, I'm gonna make it with and yada. I'm not listen to it because one, no fish not there. Because when me tell you no before, me not eat no more. Him go buy it again already and eat it. Me, not eat no more. When me go to Jamaica, me eat fish. Or me buy the supermarket one. Me not buy no all of fish down here, over here. Mother go buy it and come back and all of that. But me not feel well and Jamaria sneeze and he knows I run and all of that. So this is the soup. So he likes cow skin soup, but they never have that. A cow foot soup they have. So I don't buy. I could have buy the chicken, but the chicken just boring. I don't want something, you know? Something like a juji. Then they have red peas too, but I'm not taking a check with the red peas. I just buy the cow some. And this is my this is my jerk chicken. I take the small because I never know if me don't like it. Because you have one or start. Sometimes they hit and miss. One time they do it good, one time they not do it good. And we've never bought. We've never bought from this restaurant before. So I never want chance it and go take it large. And then I don't like it. So this is what I got. This is a jerk chicken and rice and peas. A small. This is the small. And then in this one, this is the large. Small, large. So this is the fish and rice and peas. I think it's jerk fish. Jerk fish and rice and peas. So when you come, I'm gonna leave them a plastic this time. Yeah, may leave them in the microwave. I'm putting in the oven. Actually, if I put it in the oven, he won't see it. But if I put it in the microwave, there's not a reason for going to the microwave when you come. But then he might. Yeah, I'm not chance the microwave. I'm gonna put it in the oven. And yeah. I'm gonna do that. Alright, so dinner is ready. He should be in here like in an hour. The food reach early because as I said the shop is like right up the road, but I don't feel good. I don't want to go out there. Yeah. You know, go see it.
Alright guys, I'm heading back home now. Like, it was a really tough day at work. Like, me not get a break to them, I just work, you understand? Like, Monday is just Monday in. But anyhow, I must say for the most part I had a good day. It wasn't bad. I can also say big up to the people who send a message and them big me up. Like, I appreciate it. Big up to my students and them look enough self. No man, them find out, even though I tried not to let them know, like I deliberately never said to them, but they heard a colleague actually big me up and then come with them enough self about happy birthday bad boy Jerome. I said, what I say, where you get that from? Them take it for one piece of joke, but overall though it was a good day. I try to see if I can reach on the place actually I get cool. Like this morning was warm, the place started cool, I'm hungry. Like, yeah, you know the big man up to, you know, is it, but I don't know, we'll find out. So let's try to catch a train. If you don't hear from me, it's them time. But again, I say guys, I appreciate all the sentiments. Thank you very much. You have helped to make my day special. End of the day, like I was saying today, that today birthday to me now is more about purpose and memories. You understand? It's not just about what a person can like give to you, or the physical or tangible things, but just knowing that you live to see you next day, you're happy and alright, then that's it. So respect for the sentiments, big up on yourself. Catch you on the other side.
So guys, we just come, but we have kind of a little problem in the house. So I'm gone out the road and buy something to fix it. But I in the kitchen it there. So I said to him, say I can't go in a certain places, like I can't open the cupboard them and so. So he might bend down same time and looking at the oven. Why? I say I can't open the cupboard them. The man bend down and look right in the oven. I look at him, there's something in the black bag, so I'm not sure if he see it or not. But he run down the road now and he soon come back. So I go make him do him do. And then when he relax down back now, I'm gonna sort out that. Hi again. So he come back a while ago, but something missing off and there's something I go buy. So I'm gone again. And then he asked me if I no cook. So I said, no, see the Sunday Monday there. And he said, oh, okay. So it's gonna be a nice surprise then. He said, no, Sunday Monday. So, but he didn't eat it since I that well. So it's gonna be a nice little surprise for him.
No, like nobody invading space, you know. Yo. Yo. Yo, 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 no. What is this space? Mayo, I'm not playing tablet now. Say happy birthday. Say happy birthday. You turn too bad. You turn too bad. Move. You turn too bad. Turn too bad. You don't rate big man. You don't rate me, you. You don't rate me. Say happy birthday. Say happy birthday. Say happy birthday. I'm gonna get fixed again. Say happy birthday. Your baby is bye. You turn bad like bye. So you might kill me. You told me to get instructions, I must have a shower. I'm going to sit down. I just sit down and I wait and you know what go on. You cannot put me in. No, you're not on the camera. I swear at me? Yeah. Backside. I saw video me? Yeah. Rotted.
This is a little cow foot soup.
Cow foot soup? How you find cow? You serious, babe? Oh, God. How weird do you go with? How you find Kobe? They got ready. They got ready too? They got ready today?
I ordered it.
Guys, my name is cow.
So that's it, my appetizer.
Appetizer?
Yeah,
okay,
and I'm gonna get your curry goat and rice and peas for you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why? Tell him take him.
Don't worry. Come.
Guys, we can't show no go on and play. Thanks, babe. Scratch. Where you get what from, B? Where you get coal from? Today? So then can I come here today? I wish coal shop done so. So we put knife fridge, I from me?
No, I ordered the soup.
Oh yeah, that's soup.
Yeah.
From 5 minutes also. Oh. So you're not gonna eat though?
I'm gonna share it with you. We still have 25.
You're not, man. Let's put it on 2 minutes. Thank you.
Alright guys, so the soup was a hit. And I enjoyed it. He was surprised. My throat kill me. I go warm up my food now. People me cold, so I have to have this. I not even know like me cold. So it's gonna have to be this. But I go warm up my something and come back. He demolished the soup. Him and the baby. So main course next.
Yeah, I'm pressing that knife, man. Jesus. What you go on? You can't get none. Thank you.
So here, somebody say this morning, say.
A fish me want. Fish me want. Fish me want. Thank you.
How are you feeling so far?
I'm feeling appreciated, you know? Appreciated. I'm grateful. I'm
Feeling
happy.
really unappreciated. How was your meal?
It was good.
But
People, I said twice I prefer fear fish. So I'm not sure. I'm not sure how to talk about camera. Pretty much prefer your fish when I can a brown stew fish. But then can go on.
will you order again?
No. Just to be honest, I wouldn't order again.
Oh god.
I appreciate the sentiment though, and it was okay. Babe, just to be real, it's like, alright, the thing is this, guys, people in London love to use Jamaican name for restaurant, like, they just use it for brand, you understand? So you them say Jamaican patty, Jamaican this, Jamaican that. And when they taste this, it's far from Jamaica. The next thing with them is that everything they rub them jerk seasoning pan them a jerk. You understand? Yeah. But it was okay, can't eat, but I wouldn't buy it again. Would you buy it again?
No.
Yes, I know style thing, I just wouldn't buy it again. But I appreciate it though. Appreciate the dinner. But I really prefer your fish. I think you don't cook fish. So I'm saying more your fish, and I said that.
Well, guys.
Why can't I have this one? Ding dong. Alright, calm down.
So guys, as I said, I first order from them or buying up from them. So that's why I did tell them I not buy the large for myself. But yeah, it was plain. It was okay. Yeah. You say no one a dessert.
I can't mind that right now. I know stuff up and I just recover from a floor cold,
I don't know. You don't tell them so sick.
So I can't take the cold business and like.
You
Still I
not
put it
cold,
down.
you can get cake.
Cause for something just too sweet, brother. I can't deal with it. I'm going to order next day. I just pull the gift card. Because I don't have it. I have a dessert gift card, courtesy of my wife. So I'm going to pull it.
Anyways,
this just goes to show that you can. I think I just said it earlier on now. Video I come to say, when you point to me, just appreciate simplicity and just know some alright and comfortable and good, and that is enough for me. I'm fine. Yeah, I understand. Yeah. So I appreciate it and thank you.